In today's video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how I did some updating to my laundry area. I have decided to update my home room by room because I've had a lot of mishaps with contractors or carpenters or whatever you call them. So I just decided just to go on YouTube and learn how to do these things myself. So about 5 or 6 years ago, my husband and I took down the builder grade shelves, you know, those wire shelves, and we added these cabinets from Lowe's. At the time, we had black appliances. That's why the cabinets are black. But we're going to go ahead and further upgrade it since we ended up getting a new wash and dryer set. It's too wide to fit in there. That's why we took the doors off to give the illusion of more space. So we took the middle cabinet down and pulled the wallpaper out. This is the wallpaper by Property Brothers. And we painted the cabinets white and added gold hardware. And my daughter had some handles left over from one of her projects. I just painted it a gold to match the wallpaper. And my husband added these shelves that I purchased from Amazon. And so this is the upgrade. I used a sponge so you can see a little of it, but I tried to go over it with a brush. Never use a sponge again to paint. So yeah, so this is the final look. I'm very pleased with it. It was a labor of love. It took a minute to get that wallpaper straight. You know, that first piece is always the hardest piece. And I'm also working on the floors. Video coming soon. So yeah, I'm just doing my entire home, room by room. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I love it. So this is Mrs Vee. Always showing you fun ways to save money by doing projects yourself, if that's something you're interested in doing. I will say it's not easy as they make it seem in the videos, because you're going to always run into some kind of problem. But you just can't give up, just like the financial journey. You just got to keep going. Thank you, and have a nice day.